Did you know that nearly 1 in 10 adults worldwide suffers from diabetes? Managing blood sugar levels is crucial, and the right diet can make all the difference. But what if you could enjoy delicious, satisfying meals while keeping your diabetes in check? In today's video, we'll reveal 10 of the best diabetes-friendly meals that not only help control blood sugar, but also boost energy, improve overall health, and keep you feeling full longer. Stick around till the end for some expert tips on meal planning. 1. Grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Pair it with roasted broccoli, bell peppers, and zucchini for a fiber-rich, nutrient-dense meal that won't spike your blood sugar. 2. Quinoa and chickpea salad. Quinoa is a high-protein, low-glycemic grain that keeps blood sugar stable. Combine it with chickpeas, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and a lemon olive oil dressing for a refreshing and blood sugar-friendly meal. 3. Avocado and egg on whole grain toast. This meal is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, the perfect combination to slow down glucose absorption. Choose a low-carb, whole grain bread to keep the carb count in check. 4. Stir-fried tofu with cauliflower rice. Tofu is an excellent source of plant-based protein that won't raise blood sugar. Swap regular rice for cauliflower rice to cut down on carbs while still enjoying a delicious, flavorful stir-fry. 5. Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, protein, and healthy fats. Top it with walnuts, almonds, and a handful of berries to balance sweetness with fiber and essential nutrients. 6. Chicken and spinach stir-fry. Lean chicken breast combined with iron-rich spinach and garlic makes for a nutrient-dense, low-carb meal. Add some olive oil for extra healthy fats and better nutrient absorption. 7. Lentil soup with turmeric and ginger lentils are high in fiber and protein, making them a great choice for blood sugar control. Turmeric and ginger add anti-inflammatory properties while enhancing the flavor. 8. Zucchini noodles with pesto and grilled chicken. Swap out pasta for zucchini noodles to enjoy a low-carb, diabetes-friendly meal. Toss them in homemade basil pesto and top with grilled chicken for extra protein. 9. Baked cod with asparagus and lemon butter cod is a lean protein source that pairs well with fiber-rich asparagus. The lemon butter adds flavor without unhealthy fats, keeping the meal balanced and satisfying. 10. Chia seed pudding with almond milk. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber and healthy fats that help regulate blood sugar. Soak them in unsweetened almond milk, add some cinnamon, and top with a few nuts for a nutritious and diabetic-friendly dessert. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on great-tasting meals. These 10 delicious and nutritious options will help you keep your blood sugar stable, stay full longer, and improve overall health. Which of these meals are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Disease Vlogs for more health tips and diabetic-friendly recipes.